All right, 1310 Hillside Boulevard here in Wilmington, Delaware. And just a shout out right in the beginning to Chris Pataki. Great guy allowing me to to film this. And if it gets out there, he said, "Hey Matt, I'm good with you film this. Just let me see it first." So great attitude, great person, and great house. So there you go. Thanks, Chris. Check out the roof. The snow is finally melting here in North Wilmington. So you can see the front part of that. And spoiler alert, or maybe not a spoiler alert, if you're watching this, there is a ton of natural light in this house because of the skylights and those sun tubes. So take that in. I'm also going to show you a little bit more of the neighborhood. So one of the first homes I actually purchased was right down the street. So I know this neighborhood very well. And as you fly up there, look at that. You can actually see the river. So really, really cool. Quaint backyard. Again, you can't see all the walkways because of the snow, but take that in. You know, just a great little pocket of North Wilmington. And in general, very, very good ease of access right to I-95 since it's so close. So here we go. We're going to shoot right in, fly into the front door slowly, and then boots on the ground tour. All right, 1310 Hillside here in Wilmington, Delaware. Got a quick appointment window. It looks like there's already a lot of people here. So kudos to Chris allowing me to do this. So there's his information. Here's the outside. And I tell you what, let's get you inside right away. Then we'll have time to do the outside. So right up the walkway, and here's the front door.
It has to happen once, and then you're...
Yep. Thank you. All right, so we'll be super quick. Appointments were unfortunately running a little too long, but that happens. So there's that sun tube, I believe. Very cool, bringing natural light in here. Nice wood burning fireplace. And I gotta look up, skylight. So beautiful room here. Hardwood floors. Let me spin you around slowly so you don't get dizzy. Chair rail here. Nice updated windows in the back there from what I can see. And your garage. So, a lot of space. That's a wide door, and then you have all this space here. And if you want more storage, probably do something up there. But again, full disclosure, these are just my comments. Everybody do your own due diligence. All right. Here we are. We'll wrap around and do the kitchen, which goes into a, is it locked? It was, good. Good agent. Goes into the screened-in porch. So we'll be able to see that from outside. And this gives a good vantage point of that kitchen. And look at that. Natural light galore. So there we are. Big footprint. Granite countertops. Nice cabinets. I'll spin around. And plenty of room for an eat-in kitchen too, the way it's set up. We'll save that for later. That's the basement. Remember, front door, we just did a quick little loop. Here is the main bath. Oh, wow. Check this out. Hand sanitize as we go. Nice tile work. And again, with the natural light coming in. I believe that's a bigger tub too. So beautiful. All right, excellent bathroom. We'll spin around. This is bedroom number 1. Being used as an office. Skylight galores, I love it. Natural light. It's a good footprint. Hardwood floors continue. This is going to be a hall closet. Let's sanitize that. All right. And then, well, we won't see that one yet. That's a sneak peek. Bedroom 2. Let me tuck back in here. Ceiling fan. Hardwood floors. Then this should be the primary bedroom. All right, I believe that's a queen bed. Take you around. Ceiling fan, good closet there. And primary bedroom has a primary bathroom. Nice, neat, and clean. So there you go. That is the quick, super fast upstairs tour. Let's hand sanitize that. That's a pretty deep closet as far as space. I'm going to spin you around and back you up here because there is, looks like a whole house fan. And let's venture down to the basement. So down we go. Pull you up. Get some lights on. They're gonna be right behind us, so we'll leave this on. All right, nice finished basement area. Spin you around and show you. I'm 5'10", plenty of head clearance here. Oh wow, carpeted in here as well. Nice little bonus storage. Fantastic. I'd almost make this my office. Then the unfinished section of the basement with a walkout. Very cool. All right, 200 amp panel, French drain. It looks, it is, around the perimeter. Looks like a whole house filtration system there, or just a filter. Hot water heater, electric. And down here, we have laundry and a sink. And I'll try to find another light for you. But we have a sump pit here. And then the HVAC. Of which, we gotta see this. There we are, it's a carrier. I'll see it from the outside too. Gas fed. Wow, all right. Just bonus space here. You can see that French drain. All right, oh wow. It goes all the way around. Very cool indeed. And this is set up almost like a bedroom. Yeah, almost like a bedroom indeed. So let me back you up. Again, I mean, you can use it for whatever you intend on using for an office, but really nice space. And spin around. So we just did a complete loop in the basement. Fantastic. All right, up we go. We'll leave that as such. See the beautiful kitchen again. And tell you what, we're gonna put our shoes on and venture right outside. So I wanna tuck you in this corner and show you this room, because this is big. And that nice big bay window. So now I'll get you outside. All right, so here we are outside. Let's check it out. This is the neighbor's driveway. I just want to see this side of the house. Nice. Really unique with getting all that natural light into that house. I love it. And with the snow melting, you can see, I'll send you the disclosure, but 3D architectural shingles. Here's your main electric coming in right there. And that's why in the basement, your panels right there. Here's your electric meter. And I pointed out in the basement, there's your walkout. So walk out, walk up. There you go. Nice easy way to get things into the basement. There is the screened in porch. And I believe they probably have this walkway all the way here, but it's not fully melted from the snow. Let me just spin around real slow. See where the property boundary is there, we can guess. Spin around. Take that in. Great. There's the garage. So you actually come in and spin around to get into that. I mean, I'm going to call it an oversized one-car garage because you have all that space right there. And that adds to it. So there you are. Take you around here. Show you the AC. So it's a carrier. It matches what's down there. There you go. So brick. Didn't really call out the walkway. A nice paver walkway there to the front. And I'll leave you right there.